Hi everyone, Erin here. I thought it'd be a great chance to show you how to access the New York Times online for free with your library card. So the process I'm going to show you will provide you with a 72-hour unlimited access to the New York Times online. After that session expires, you can go in, redeem another session. They don't have a cap, so you can do it as often as you like. So here we go. To access the New York Times online, go to the library's homepage. Tap or click Borrow in the menu at the top of the screen and select eBooks and Streaming. Select Magazines and Newspapers. Tap or click on New York Times Online to open. Scroll to the bottom of the page and enter your 14-digit barcode number. I recommend bookmarking this page to make redeeming another session easier in the future. And tap or click Redeem to redeem your session. The first time you log in, you will need to create an account, either with an email and password, or by using your login details from one of the popular services that are listed. Once you already have an account, the next time, you'll click Login at the bottom to proceed. Enter your email and password. Tap or click Continue to begin reading.